Barely runs, idles, rough, smokes like crazy. Does anybody ever know what's going on? 93 GMC 3500 6.5. As it warms up, it'll start clearing out, but the mist's still there and dies.